Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Today I am going to show this video how to fix File Explorer keeps crashing, freezing or stop working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your File Explorer is crashing or freezing or not working, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open the CMD. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you have to just copy paste one of the command what I will provide in my video description link. You can see this is the command. Select copy. Right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit, then click on paste. Then hit enter. After entering, it should be shown as the operation completed successfully. After completion of this, type the second command sfc space / scan now. Then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix File Explorer keeps crashing, freezing or not working. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.